Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can reset your Google Chrome setting. If you have changed any setting in Google Chrome and you don't want that setting, so you can reset that whole setting. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome, you have to write the Chrome like this. As you can see, I have written this sentence like the Chrome settings. You can also go through this by options. After opening the as you can see, I have opened the Google Chrome setting. As you can see, has the option for the reset settings. You have to click on this. After clicking on the reset setting, as you can see, has the option restore settings to their original defaults. You have to click on this. After this, as you can see, you will get both options, cancel and reset. So you have to click on the reset settings and you have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, your whole setting is now by default and you can see all the things. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can reset settings. So see you guys in the next video.